7. Networking. Practice questions and answers OSI and TCP/IP models Q1. In the OSI model, which layer is responsible for providing end-to-end communication and error recovery? A. Physical. B. Data link. C. Transport. D. Network. Answer: C. Transport. Q2. Which of the following is the correct order of layers in the OSI model starting from the top? A. Application, transport, network, data link, physical. B. Physical, data link, network, transport. Application. C. Application, data link, transport, physical, network. D. Application, network, data link, transport, physical. Answer: B. Physical, data link, network, transport, application. Q3. What is the main purpose of the network layer in the OSI model? A. To manage end-to-end communication and flow control. B. To route data packets across the networks. C. To transmit raw bits over a physical medium. D. To ensure data integrity during transmission. Answer: B. To route data packets across the network. IP addressing and subnetting. Q4. What is the purpose of subnetting in IP networking? A. To increase the size of a network. B. To divide a larger network into smaller, more manageable subnets. C. To allow devices to have multiple IP addresses. D. To improve encryption during data transmission. Answer: B. To divide a larger network into smaller, more manageable subnets. Q5. How many hosts can be addressed in a subnet with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0? A. 254, B. 256, C. 512, D. 128. Answer: A. 254. Q6. What is the purpose of the default gateway in a network? A. To provide DNS resolution for internal devices. B. To route traffic between different subnets. C. To assign IP addresses to devices in the network. D. To encrypt traffic between devices. Answer: B. To route traffic between different subnets. DNS, DHCP, NAT, and routing. Q7. What is the main function of the domain name system, DNS? A. To assign IP addresses to devices in a network. B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. C. To filter unwanted network traffic. D. To route traffic between networks. Answer: B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. Q8. What does DHCP stand for, and what is its purpose? A. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It assigns IP addresses to devices on a network. B. Domain Host Configuration Protocol. It manages DNS queries. C. Dynamic Hypertext Configuration Protocol. It handles routing requests. D. Domain Hierarchical Configuration Protocol. It encrypts network traffic. Answer: A. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It assigns IP addresses to devices on a network. Q9. What is the primary purpose of NAT, Network Address Translation? A. To assign IP addresses to devices in a private network. B. To convert private IP addresses to public IP addresses and vice versa. C. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. D. To block malicious network traffic. Answer: B. To convert private IP addresses to public IP addresses and vice versa. Network protocols and ports. Q10. Which protocol is commonly used to securely transmit files over a network? A. FTP. HTTPC, HTTPS. D. SSH. Answer: C. HTTPS. Q1. What is the purpose of the TCP three-way handshake? A. To establish a secure connection between devices. B. To initiate communication between devices and exchange data. C. To manage the flow of data between devices. D. To ensure reliable transmission of packets. Answer: B. To initiate communication between devices and exchange data. Q12. Which of the following port numbers is commonly used by HTTP traffic? A. 21B, 22C, 80D, 443. Answer: C. ADLAN versus WAN versus WLAN. Q14. Which of the following best describes a local area network? LAN. A. A network that spans a large geographic area, like a city or country. B. A private network that connects devices in a small geographic area, like a home or office. C. A network that provides wireless access to devices within a broad region. D. A network that connects devices through the internet. Answer: B. A private network that connects devices in a small geographic area, like a home or office. Q14. What is the main difference between a LAN, local area network, and a WAN, wide area network? A. A WAN connects devices in a single building, while a LAN connects devices across multiple cities. B. A LAN is a wireless network, while a WAN is a wired network. C. A LAN covers a small area, like a home or office, while a WAN covers a large area, like a city or country. D. There is no difference between LAN and WAN. Answer: C. A LAN covers a small area, like a home or office, while a WAN covers a large area, like a city or country. Q15. What does WLAN stand for, and how is it different from a LAN? A. Wireless Local Area Network. It uses wireless communication instead of wired connections. B. Wide Area Local Network. It connects devices over large distances. C. Wireless Area Local Network. It connects devices using infrared signals. D. None of the above. Answer: A. Wireless Local Area Network. It uses wireless communication instead of wired connections. Network. Troubleshooting tools. Ping, traceroute, etc. Q16. What is the primary function of the ping command? A. To test the reachability of a device or host on a network. B. To route packets through a network. C. To trace the path of data packets across a network. D. To monitor network traffic. Answer: A. To test the reachability of a device or host on a network. Q17. What does the traceroute command do? A. It tests the speed of a network connection. B. It maps the route that packets take from one host to another across the network. C. It measures the reliability of a network connection. D. It displays detailed network traffic statistics. Answer: B. It maps the route that packets take from one host to another across the network.